Good evening, everyone. It's 10:19 p.m. It's late, 10:20 now. I'm gonna make this video quick because I have to wake up extra early tomorrow. I gotta go drive a bit further. Gotta go beyond my. I gotta show up earlier, 30 minutes earlier, and it's a farther drive compared to my workplace, so that's not gonna be fun. So we're just gonna make this really quick. Oh, what the hell? This is actual math. That actually gave me a real math problem, not some bull. You're given a stream of points on the XY plane. Design an algorithm that adds new points from the stream into a data structure. Duplicate points are allowed and should be treated as different points. Given a query point. Oh my goodness. Why did I save the hard one for the day I gotta go to bed early? I should have started this earlier today. Adds a new point from the stream to a data structure. Duplicate points are allowed and should be treated as different points. Given a query point, count the number of ways to choose 3 points from the data structure such that 3 point Uh-huh. Yeah, nah, this... What the what the fuck? This is ridiculous. Holy shit. I don't think I'm gonna do that one today. Oh, man, I'm getting to the point where they're all just kind of tricky. I don't want to do this one. This one is interesting. Oh, one time. Oh, okay. the observation that we drawn from the diagonal of a square. So you're saying doing O of insert and then just saying, hey, this is a diagonal. Genuinely, what's the point of duplicates here? Oh shit, it can get counted twice. Fuck. Oh. It's only like almost like a DP approach. You can check to see if it exists, but it's like it could exist multiple times. Yeah, it could exist multiple times, which is. Ooh, wait, no. God, I can use a hash set, honestly. I mean, let's be honest, I could. Yeah, I could definitely use a hash set. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say, point addiction dict equals this empty dict. I'm gonna say self dot that, and we're gonna do self. If tuple of point in not in self.point dictionary, then we're gonna do self.point dictionary of tuple point. I put tuple point is equal to 1, and then I'm going to do equal to 0 for this instance, and then I'm going to do plus equals 1. Okay. So there's a dictionary that holds that. So the reason why I'm using a dictionary is because you can have duplicates. So this will basically store the number of iterations exists. I mean, technically this computation is kind of like null and void. It's a double computation for majority of them. So this is not really the best complexity, honestly. A better complexity would be with like a switch statement that has pretty quick runtime. Or just an if-else, so that way you don't have to worry about doing dictionary lookups twice. Even though it's technically an O of 1 operation, it's still just preferred to not do that twice. Regardless, in this instance, I'm just kind of more worried about just having a clean code pattern that I prefer. So I'm just going to stick with this. The reason why is you want to have the number of iterations, and then you can basically say, so for example, if I'm looking at this point here, this cyan point, okay, and I did my math, and I see I have this purple, this gold, and this blue, and these points they exist because I look it up in the dictionary and I see that they exist. So what I can do is if they're all 1, 1, 1, 1, that means there's just one of each, right? So that means I just return 1. But if this is 2, then I can return 2. If this is 2 and this is 2, I can return 4. So mathematically speaking, the way this will work is it will take the amount of duplicates here, and multiply them. So if there's no duplicates, it's just one thing here, then it's 1 times 1 times 2 will be 2. If it's 2, 2, it'll be 2 times 1 times 2, and that's 4. And that makes sense because you can do 1, 1A, 1, 1, right? That's 1, 1, 1B, 1, 1. There you go. Then 1, 1A, 1, 1B, then 1, 1B, 1. Or is that 3? Shit. Is it 3? Is that how many I can do? So okay, we'll say AB, AB. So 1A, 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 1B, 2. 1B, 1A, 3. 1B, 1B, 4. Okay, no, it's 4. Okay. Okay. So in this instance, it'll be positive. I just do this minus that, right? Here, the y-axis will be negative. I can just do the absolute value. That'll work. I think that'll work. So we'll say point A equals the absolute value of point oh, there you go. Go back. The absolute value of point 0 minus diagonal 0. Okay, then we'll do that again here. So we'll do that. And oh wait, what am I doing? So I don't need to do minus. I'm being silly here. What am I? I keep doing minus, but I'm like, I don't need to. I don't need to do minus. I can just do one or the other. So I could just do point of 0 and then diagonal of 1. And we'll do that again. Let's say point B equals diagonal of 0 and point of 1. Cool. Cool beans. And what I will do is I will say, I'm going to say count equals 0. Is there a way I can do this? Set up the dictionary so it's like it. Can I do error handling in Python like you can do in TypeScript? Can I do like. I wonder if I can do error handling. It'd be kind of cool if I could. I don't know if that'll work. We'll see. This is my attempt at error handling. And I'm going to say. Oh, I know that's going to be in there. I don't need this silly thing. So I'll just say count plus equals point A times point B times diagonal, and sure. I'm curious. I'm curious to see if this works. Probably not. Infinite runtime. Not really good. I'm guessing it is because of the OR. It's not really giving me a valid kind of thing, so. I'm gonna say A equals 0, B equals 0, and C equals that, and I'm gonna say count plus equals A times B times C. And then I'm gonna say okay. Let's try that. See if that gives us a different result. Wow. That ran. Surprising. Actually ran pretty quickly too. Fuck. What the hell? Why is it getting aired out on these nulls? I don't know what I did wrong. probably like one line. But why are you bugging out on the null? The null's gonna be null regardless, right? There should be nothing else. Oh, shoot. I'm counting them too many times, huh? Crap, because once you get to the other roundabout, it re-adds it. I'm adding it too many times. Well, you know, I am curious to see. I am curious to see if I do something like this. I do something like this. I do something like this. I am curious to see if this gives me a different outcome. Wrong answer. I have another idea of why this is failing, and I'm gonna probably write it down and give it one little try. If it doesn't work, I'm going to bed because it's bedtime. It's bedtime. So let's say we have a point here, and this point is this point is 5, 5. And we got a point here. This point is 5, 10. Okay. What I'll look for is a point of 5, 5. And I'll look for a point of 5, 10. So it has to be a diagonal. If it's on the same plane, it breaks. So that's one thing that could be causing this breakage, is that they're on the same. So what I can do is I could say if point of 0 doesn't equal diagonal of 0, and same thing for the second point, can't equal on either side, then I can run this problem and see what we can get. Then I can run this. So let's one. Let's see if this submits. Okay. Let's try that. Doesn't work. I'm probably gonna just look at the answer and go to bed. I think it failed earlier. So it still fails. Fuck. I mean, I can't. There's too much going on in this for me to tell you why it's failing. You know. It sounds like I'm pretty much like getting there. I must be missing just one probably thing, which is something small. Oh, it's got to be a square. Mother. I was checking for rectangles. Son of a bitch. Oh, what wasn't I thinking, man? Hold up. Let me see this math for this motherfucker, dude. Holy shit. Yep. That'll do it, man. That will do it. God damn it. We'll add that in. Can I do the control? Oh, beautiful. Oh, make me so happy. They're gonna make me cry. Okay. Fuck me. I'm fucking stupid, bro. I didn't even think about it being a goddamn fucking square. How does this count rectangles? I mean, we'll see. This might not even really correct what I needed to correct. So we shall see. But runtime error. What was that number? Interesting. God damn it. Okay. We'll see if this works. This probably won't. Motherfucker. motherfucker, man. I can't do this no more. I'm getting beat up, brother. Alright, let's see. What do they got for the answer? He's just doing A and B. He's not even worried about C. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm gonna worry about C. There you go. Forgot to worry about C. Alright, I mean, yep, that'll do it. I hope that made some sense in my chaos. But yeah, I gotta go to bed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.